guys, Shakes Tutorials, and this is my second tutorial today out of 3 requested. I'm not sure if I'll do 3 today because that's kind of a lot. I mean, I'm fine with it, but I just don't want to run out of ideas, I think. Anyways, it's fine. So this tutorial is going to be how to create a simple banner, and I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to create a simple animation today if I have time and if I feel a little better. So what you want to do is head over to Photoshop, and you want to go to File, New, and that should have loaded. Weird. I think something's wrong with Photoshop. But so the dimensions I use are 500 by 100 for my banners. Just what I use. You can use something different, your choice. But I use that. So, anyways, what I like to do is I like to add a little gradient. And normally I like going from dark to, sorry, just a sec. So normally I like going from dark to light, but that's totally your choice. So let's say I like red, so I would do like a dark red and a light red, and it would make this kind of color. That's just what I like. But that's totally your choice. You can start with the light, and it does not have to be this color, and you can choose some rainbow or some presets that they have. It's totally your choice. But I'm just going to stick with this color. And another thing is that I like doing is basically adding text, or another thing I like doing is using the brush tool. Now I'm going to make a tutorial on how to add custom brushes, since I got Photoshop and I just learned how to do that. So, let's look. Let's see. What brushes do they have? You can add, oh, just a sec. I didn't like that. You can add, like, some brushes. So, they have some custom brushes inside already added. And again, sorry if I pause. I'm feeling sick today, so just bear with me. I think I said that in the last tutorial also. But once you're done adding the brushes, you want to go into the text, and this is also going to be a very simple banner, so please do not spam saying it sucks and other things. Anyways, you just want to add your name or something like that, and you basically want to find the color you want. And so I think this looks okay, like not the best. I'm sure if I worked a little better on that, I could have found a good font and other things, which I can do right now. So if you want to change the font, just Command A or Control A, whether or not you're on a Mac or Windows. I'm using Windows, so it's Command A. And you just want to find a good font. I haven't added any fonts yet on the Mac, but I'm just going to use this. So I think that looks pretty cool. And so just Command, or actually you don't even have to use that. You can just drag it, and I think that looks pretty good for a okay background, or not background, banner. So this is going to be really easy. All you have to do is render it, I think they call it. So I guess we can do that. But before that, I'm going to decide to add a couple other brushes, and let's do some stars. So okay, then star, 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 star. Okay, so that's basically it. I'm not really spending much time. I could have made this better. But once you're done, you just want to make sure, or actually you don't have to do that, but you just want to go into File, then either Save or Save As. I'm going to do Save. And then I'm going to make sure it's a certain type of file I like. You can do JPEG, PNG, really doesn't matter. If you're going to post it to YouTube, I would do PNG. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'll name it. And this is definitely not my best, but this is a beginner banner, like I said. So all you have to do is save it to where you want. Then you're going to save. Then OK, and it should save. And if you did it right, then it should be right here, or where we saved it. So that is what it looks like in the end. And again, once I get some more brushes, I will make a more advanced tutorial. So sorry about that, but um, I don't really have anything added custom inside the Photoshop, so this is why I'm making a beginner tutorial. And that's basically how you do it. And in the next tutorial, I'm going to show how to make an animated banner in Photoshop. And this is going to be for Windows users. So I'm not going to be doing it on the Mac. And I'm not sure if it's the same. I haven't tried it on the Mac, but I just prefer Windows making animated. Just that's what I like. So I don't want to talk that long because I want to get some rest. And so, hope you like this tutorial. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I hope to make some more soon.